Good morning class 6 student. Let us start your new chapter of computer, that is chapter number 6, Microsoft Excel 2010. Microsoft Excel is a very popular software of MS Office and you have used in your previous class 5th also. It is used for doing different calculations. Now again we have to study this chapter here. Microsoft Excel is widely used to perform mathematical calculation and is the most popular spreadsheet software. It is used to perform the mathematical calculation and is the most popular spreadsheet software. MS Excel is a collection of worksheets consisting of rows and columns, and the data is spread in the tabular form. What is MS Excel? It is a collection of worksheets which consist of rows and columns, and the data is spread in the form of tabular form. It has several built-in characteristics and tools such as formulas, function, data analysis tools, and much more to ease the work. It contains many predefined tools like formulas, function, data analysis tools, and much more, which help us to reduce our work, which help us to ease the work while handling a large number of data that can be easily transformed into balance sheet, chart, and graph. It help us to manage the different large data which we can finally change into balance sheet, or you can say chart, graphics, animation, etc. Okay. Now what is the feature of this MS Excel? For solving simple and complex mathematical problem, various formulas are used for calculation. For solving a simple and complex mathematical problems, various formulas are used for doing calculation. Such functions are built in Excel. These functions are built in Excel. Formulas for creating percentage, average, interest, and simple ones like addition, multiplication, etc. are included. Some functions are there which is built in Excel formulas for calculating percentage, average, interest, and simple ones like addition, multiplication, etc. The appearance of the data can be enhanced by using formatting feature. The appearance of the data can be changed by using formatting feature. If a change is made in one cell, it required, the data in the entire worksheet can be instantly recalculated. It means when we are making a change in one cell, then the data in the entire worksheet can be quickly changed, recalculated. Quick search and instantaneous replacement of data. It is quick searching option is there, and also instant means quickly replacement of data. Data entry in series using the option named autofill. One option is there, autofill, which help us to fill the data automatically. For easy understanding, analysis, and comparison of data in effective manner, the data can be shown in the graphical form such as graph, diagrams, and chart. And for calculation, for ease of comparison, for understanding, the data is presented in the form of graph, diagrams, and chart. MS Excel helps professionals to quickly perform lengthy calculation of account and financial problem and arrive at quick conclusion, thus making it a best choice owing to excellent feature. MS Excel helps professionals to quickly perform lengthy calculations of account, financial problem, and other quick conclusions, and that's why it is the best choice. It is the most popular used software for the accountant, clerk, and different office work. Now next is how to start the MS Excel. For starting MS Excel is very simple. It is just like the all other software. Click on the start, select all program, and from all program just select the Microsoft Office. In Microsoft Office click the MS Excel 2010, and when you will open this spreadsheet will be there, which will be open, and it will be there in front of you. Now next is workbook and worksheet. Two things will be there. One is workbook and worksheet. The startup window of MS Excel is known as workbook or worksheet. The starting window of MS Excel, which has opened in front of you like this, it is known as workbook or worksheet. It is just like a notebook consisting of number of pages. You can consider it just like a notebook which consists of number of pages. The pages in the workbook or worksheet just like in the notebook. Each worksheet is a grid made of rows and column. Each worksheet it is made of grid, rows, and column, where the data can be inserted, where the data can easily inserted. By default, Excel shows three worksheets named Sheet 1, Sheet 2, Sheet 3. By default, Excel is having three worksheets, Sheet 1, Sheet 2, Sheet 3, and we can add as many. It can be added owing to the memory available on the computer. As per the memory available in the computer, we can add the worksheet. Now, each worksheet is having 1,048,576 rows. How many rows are there in a worksheet? So it is 1,048,556 rows and 16,384 columns. It consists of 16,384 columns. So you can understand how much data you can insert, how many cells are there. Just multiply by them, you can get the number of cells. The columns are denoted by the alphabet on the top. The columns are denoted like this: A, B, C, D, E, F. And rows have numbered on the left side, and rows are having a number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in this way. Okay. Now there are different options are there, which you are able to see: file tab, name box, active cell, row heading, status bar, range, column heading, quick access toolbar, title bar, ribbon, formula bar, and scroll bar. So these are the different component of your MS Excel worksheet. Now